What is
this? This is a custard apple.
Oh, a custard apple. Oh, it's open. Damn.
No, that's how they are.
Oh. Look at the chaos of Old Delhi. Look at this. There's a tuk-tuk coming right in. People trying to take cargo. Tuk-tuk almost ran me over on camera. Jesus Christ. Look at that. Look at the amount of cargo those guys are taking up. That's what it's like here. We're back. We told you.
He's coming back.
Yeah. We thought we were gone.
I told you I was coming back.
What is this called though?
Huh?
One. Uno.
And I want the custard apple.
Packing up a little fruit salad. Taping it up.
It's like a gift.
Oh, it's going to be a gift. Gift for me. I'll take it. Look at that. I got bananas, oranges, grapes. Pomegranate, and a basket. Guava. Hiding in the back. The apples look good. Awesome. You got everything. Perfect gift. Can get your gift wrapped fruit salads here. Fruit baskets. What is that? What is it called though?
What's the name of this? See, they come in a husk, right? And you peel the husk off.
Oh, okay.
Right, and that's what he's got balled up inside. Right. So then you just pluck them off and eat them.
They didn't tell us the name of it.
Hey, custard apple.
So we bought whatever that is, the grape-looking thing.
Well, you'll have the name and description.
I mean, I'm not going to bother. It's too much work to do. How am I going to look up the name of that? Hey Siri, what is this? Can you do that?
I'll be able to know what it is.
All right. So we found out what they're called. They're called gooseberries. We're getting some gooseberries and custard apple.
Custard apples?
No custard apple. He doesn't have it. That's the only one they have, though. Is it good?
Hey. No.
Yeah, it's not good. I don't think it is. More? No mas?
Okay. I will get
all right. Oh, these are electric. Look at the clock tower over there. Clock tower of Old Delhi. I didn't know there was a thing like that. Let's ask this guy.
This is the rickshaw they should have down in
Agra, right?
Yeah.
Look at this rickshaw. It's all electric. This is Elon Musk. This Tesla's next project is electric rickshaws in Delhi. This man has been hired by Elon for these experimental vehicles that they're testing out in Old Delhi. If it works in Old Delhi, it'll work anywhere in the world. So check this thing out. There's no pedal on it. I've removed everything and put a battery in the back and a motor, and it's going. Whoa! There goes a bus. Jesus Christ. It's probably going to be the worst rickshaw ride.
Scary ride.
It's a scary fucking ride. And we've been driven around by this little kid. He's barely 12, I think. God damn. Look at this place. Oh, this is one of the most shadiest places in Delhi. Craziest ride of all time. There's no suspension on this rickshaw, so we're feeling each little bump in the road. Look at this. Look at how close to the bus I am. It's gonna fucking take my arm out. I better stay inside the perimeter of the rickshaw. What's that? Guy sleeping. Oh shit, there's a guy sleeping on the road. Like right on the road. Yeah, so like I said, this is the worst place in Delhi. Welcome to the worst place in Delhi on a futuristic Tesla rickshaw.
And it's still early, so you don't see much.
Yeah. Look at the fucking amount of boxes that they're carrying. These guys don't want to do a second trip. They take it all at once. Manguram. The whorehouse area. Alright, we're leaving the whorehouse street and going into civilization. I almost got hit by a fucking scooter. I'm going the wrong way. Look at that, there's traffic coming from all directions. What even is this? The scooter man who won't stop honking. This kid almost got us killed on this Tesla. Jesus. He crashed into that little car. We got T-boned by this cargo thing, operated by 3 men. That's how heavy it is.
These guys are pulling back.
Yeah, that's the brake. These guys are the brakes. And that's this guy's the pedal. This guy's the pedal to the metal. Look at that, the same thing. They got 4 people on that one. Man. You should have probably gotten a hotel somewhere around here. Yeah.
I want peace and quiet at night.
Yeah. Damn. Cruising around Delhi. Whoa! Can't take your eyes off the road for a second. Cruising around Delhi on a Tesla. This is where you get all the buses. Go to wherever you want to go. More buses. I don't think the brakes on these Tesla rickshaws have been finalized. They're still experimental. Some more shacks.
Where I'm going to find a street car garage.
Yeah, somewhere around here. Look at all these buses. That bus might be going to Agra. It's got a UP number. UP. I think this is where you get the bus for Varanasi. The last time I went to Varanasi, came here. So yeah, all the buses going in that direction, Agra, Varanasi. You can get it from here too. See, that's like an old style of rickshaw. And this man is moving with the times. 2020 rickshaw.
Metro jana na?
Yes, Metro. I think he forgot where it was supposed to take us. Were you just going home this whole time? I think he was just going home. He just realized he got passengers in the back. That's the thing with these Teslas. You have no idea that you're carrying cargo. Look at all these buses. This is the kind of bus that we came in. 500 bucks. Trash. Garbage truck, Indian garbage truck. No windshields whatsoever. Damn it. Where's the metro? I think we're here. He's gonna drop us off here. Here's the metro up there. All right.
And we have arrived.
You have arrived. Damn. What a ride. Through Tesla. The Model O for Old Delhi. How did Elon Musk treat you? Good? He doesn't want to talk about it. He's under contract with Tesla. He don't want to get kidnapped and put on a roadster and sent into space. All right. That was the craziest rickshaw drive I've been on in recent past. Damn, never been on an electric rickshaw like that. Definitely a Tesla.